Ladies and gentlemen, friends of Mercedes-AMG, good evening and welcome to Los Angeles. We brought a German Autobahn with us. And you're standing right on it in the middle of Los Angeles. I have to say, I've revealed quite a few new models during my time at Mercedes, but never in the middle of a freaking Autobahn. That's a first. The AMG GT four-door coupe is an extraordinary piece of engineering. One that challenges everything we thought we knew about fast cars and about the thrill of driving. I have tested it thoroughly, so trust me when I say this. We didn't just meet the bar, we raised it. We have redefined performance, now also on the electric side of things.
LA has an incredible car culture. It has some truly legendary roads, and now it even has the Autobahn, at least for tonight. But let's be honest, a great road is only half the story. To really enjoy a drive, you need the right car. A car that makes you smile when you see it, a car that gives you goosebumps when you turn it on, a car that makes your heart beat faster when you drive it. And do we have the right car for you tonight? The heart of every true AMG is the drivetrain. That has always been the case. But this time, I'll be honest, we went a little crazy. Because this time, we are bringing a real game changer, a true revolution, a technology that is so far ahead, it opens a completely new chapter. What am I talking about? I'm talking about axial flux motors. Yes, I know, it sounds like something from a Hollywood sci-fi movie. And that's actually quite fitting, because it truly feels like taking us to the future. These motors are mind-blowing. They are compact, they are light, and their power is just unbelievable. Their power density is around 3 times higher than conventional EV motors. Torque density, twice as high. Lots of power, lots of torque. It is like an electric V8. And the car we are talking about to show you packs 3 of them. 2 at the rear, 1 at the front. Together, they provide 860 kilowatts. That's 1,153 brake horsepower. 0 to 60, 2.1 seconds. So yeah, it's rocket science for an absolute rocket ship. But that's not all. Many cars are quick off the line. This car offers sustained performance, repeatable, relentless. The new GT four-door coupe offers charging speeds of 600 kilowatts. That means you can add 500 kilometers of WLTP range in just over 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome here on stage the all-new Mercedes-AMG GT four-door coupe.
And our team was always pushing it a bit harder because we constantly compared.
But it's also the small things. So it's your seating position, is the way how your controls are centered around you.
surprise to you. And if you believe in stereotypes,